berry season in the southern United States. I've picked some wild blackberries. If you're in the northern part of the country, you may still have those little white flowers on the vines. But I'm going to show you how to make a sweet and savory sauce that pairs with any wild game. But today I'm doing a moose roast. So Onyx is great for e-scouting. You want to use the app and look for old logging roads, field edges, burns, clear cuts, that kind of thing. So you're going to preheat a small pot, add a little bit of olive oil, and then add your shallots. And you want to stir these and cook them down until they're soft and translucent. Then you're going to add your blackberries, then your rosemary, and a couple bay leaves. Give that a stir, add your sugar, and we want the sugar to cook down and dissolve. Give another stir just to incorporate all the sugar, and the berries will start to reduce, rendering the natural liquid. Adding half a cup of red wine. You can add port too if you'd like, and some rice vinegar. Rice vinegar is going to balance the sweetness of the sugar. Let that reduce a bit, and then I'm going to add some turkey stock. You could add chicken stock or vegetable stock, and this just balances the sweet and sour flavor of the sauce. Now we want to let this reduce to concentrate the flavors, but you don't want to stir it too much and break up the berries. So now you can see the sauce is thickened. It's reduced probably by a third or so, and you can test the consistency with your spoon. Give it a taste, see what you think. And I'm going to take this off the heat because it's looking good to me. I'm going to take my moose roast out of the sous vide. Sous vide is a great way to tenderize tougher cuts without overcooking them. So I've had this cooking for about 4 hours at 127 to 129 degrees to keep it a nice medium rare. I'm going to season it up with salt and pepper, and I'm going to give it a nice hard sear in a carbon steel frying pan. Got the frying pan preheated, and I'm just going to add some oil and butter to sear this moose shoulder roast. I'm going to add my shoulder roast to the pan with the fat side down to try and render out some of that fat, crisp it up, get some nice flavor in there. And we're going to add the butter in 2 stages. So I've added a little bit now, I've added some garlic and some more bay leaves. And when that starts to melt and brown, I'm going to add a little bit more just so it doesn't burn when you add it in stages. And then I'm just going to butter baste with a large spoon. And what this is doing is it's flavoring the butter with the herbs and the garlic, and then you're basting the meat with that flavored butter. Just a nice little chef trick to get some more flavor onto your roast. I've got some garlic scapes from the garden. We'll toss those in the pan. I blanched them first, saute them a bit. Some nice color and earthy flavor on the plate. And then just spoon your sauce on top of your roast and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like cooking with wild ingredients as much as I do. Check out all the features on the Onyx app, and don't forget to pin those spots for next year.